everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. First of all, congratulations to those aspirants who got the seat in round 1 of All India Quota Counselling. In this video, I'm gonna analyze the of the round 1 of All India Quota Counselling so that you get some idea whether you need to go for the upgradation or not. Moreover, there is one more video out regarding what you have to do if you want a free exit. Then you need to watch this video, or what to do for the upgradation. Then also you need to watch this video. Moreover, there are lots of rumors regarding the revised cutoff. Whatever it is and whenever it will come, you will notify it by my YouTube channel, by my Instagram ID, and definitely if you take the paid services or if you are in the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling, then definitely it will notify there first, because that is the fastest mode of sharing the information regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling. Now back to the topic, as we are gonna analyze the final result of round 1 of All India Quota Counselling. So first of all, the first pattern to analyze it according to the branch wise, like according to the departments which we have in the MDS. So the total seats of oral and maxillofacial surgery, that means the OS, all over India 183 seats are filled and allotted, followed by conservative dentistry and endodontics. Total allotted seat in first round is 209. Third, prosthodontics, 196 seats are allotted to the candidates, followed by orthodontics, 198 seats are allotted to the candidate, followed by periodontology, 131 seats are allotted to the candidate. Then public health dentistry, 28 seats are allotted to the candidate in the first round of All India Quota Counselling, followed by the oral medicine and radiology. 65 seats are filled in the round 1 of All India Quota Counselling, followed by the pedodontics. 137 seats are filled. Next is the oral pathology. 52 seats are filled and allotted. Now if we see the round 1 final seat allotment according to the category wise, that means the category wise, if we see the result that how many students got the seat in the first round of All India Quota Counselling, OBC candidate got 457 seats, followed by the OBC PWD candidate got 6 seats in round 1 of All India Quota Counselling, followed by the EW candidate got 157 seats, right? Followed by the general category got 658 seats allotted, followed by EWPWD, no seat is allotted to them, 0. Followed by general candidate with PWD got 6 seats allotted, followed by the ST category, 35 seat is allotted. ST-PWD got 1 seat allotted. SC category got 86 seats allotted, followed by the SC-PWD, 0 seat is allotted to them. So this is according to the category wise we see the result of round 1 of All India Quota Counselling. Now if we see the round 1 final seat allotment, that too state wise, we have a different criteria so that we came to know that how many states seats are there and how many All India seats are there in a particular state, right? So this is very important. If you gonna apply in the state counseling, then this part of the video is very important. So don't forget to watch this video till the end and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Now the total seat allotted in the Andhra Pradesh is 24. Assam 5 seats are allotted. Daman and Diu 0 seat is allotted. Followed by Delhi 92 seat is allotted. Goa 44 seat is allotted. Gujarat 80 seats are allotted. Haryana 59 seats are allotted. Himachal Pradesh 0 seat is allotted. Followed by Jammu and Kashmir, 19 seat is allotted. Jharkhand, 0 seat is allotted. Followed by Karnataka, 204 seat is allotted. Kerala, 80 seat is allotted. Madhya Pradesh, 1515 seats is allotted in round 1 of All India Quota Counselling. Followed by the Maharashtra, 252 seat is allotted. Manipur and Odisha, 0 seat is allotted. Pondicherry, 48 seat is allotted. Punjab, 1616 seat is allotted. Rajasthan, 11 seat is allotted. Tamil Nadu, 304 seat is allotted. Telangana, 17 seat is allotted. Then Uttar Pradesh, 90 seat is allotted. Uttarakhand, 0 seat is allotted. And West Bengal, 1515 seat is allotted through the round 1 final result of All India Quota Counselling. So as you can came to know about your state, or you can get some idea about in which state you can apply for getting the seat for the MDS branch. If you want this PDF, either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Ask for the PDF, that is the summary of the round 1 final result of All India Quota Counselling, right? Moreover, you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 Counselling. For that, you can ask for the link on my Instagram DM, and then you can follow me there on the Instagram as a sweet gesture. Register yourself and join in just 5 minutes. If you want to talk to me directly regarding the MDS counselling, any guidance or anything else, you can also book the call, and for that either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen and drop down the message. So if we see the department wise or the branch wise, the maximum seats are filled in the endodontics, followed by the orthodontics and followed by the prosthodontics. OS is on the 4th number from the round 1 of All India Quota Counselling, filled by the journal category. After that, the OBC candidates filled the maximum number of seats. So this is the net result. The maximum seats are filled through the round 1 of All India Quota Counselling is in the Maharashtra, and second is the Tamil Nadu. So if we see from these two, Tamil Nadu has maximum number, that is 304, while the Maharashtra has a maximum seat allotted, that is 252. See whether you want to apply in the state counselling or not, or you can get some idea about the different state through this video. That's all about the today's video. Thank you for watching.